morning everyone. Myself Navya. I am studying in 10th standard. Today I am going to present a short speech on Environment Day. Environment Day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of our environment. Every year World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. The first World Environment Day was celebrated on June 5th, 1973. This day is also created awareness on environmental problems caused due to air pollution, global warming, deforestation and so on. This day is remembered for us to take care of our planet. It is our responsibility to protect our environment from pollution and global warming. We must follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Let us pledge to protect our environment from pollution and give a clean environment to the future generation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ramya from 10th standard A section. First of all, I would like to wish you a World Environment Day. Save the trees our ancestors planted and plant new ones as a gift to our coming generations. Thank you.
Myself Chaya from 10th A. Save the earth, secure the future and happy Environmental Day. Thank you. Save environment and wish
make the world cleaner and healthier place. Thank you and happy Environmental Day.